Okay, perfect. So Kathy, kind of like I was saying, I'm a broker, makes my job super simple because I don't work for anyone. I really work for you. So what I'll do with you today is I'm going to go through these questions, get to know you a little bit. And then based on your answers, I'm going to help you, like I said, find the two things we need, which is to find something that fits your needs, but also to find something that meets your budget. And then also something you can actually get qualified for based on your health. Now, as long as we can find those things today, what we'll do next is send in a request for coverage and see if we can actually get you approved. Because from that point, if you are approved, you're going to have a 30-day window begin. And I like to call this your final decision period. What this does is it gives you time to get the packet delivered out to your home, take a look at everything inside, and decide, hey, do I need to make any changes to this up or down, or just leave it right where it's at? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And the best part about being a broker is if we get declined for any weird reason, I'm just going to keep working for you until I find you that approval. So it's super simple, but do you have any questions before I just dive right in?
Okay.
No questions?
No.
Okay, well, if you need any questions answered, just stop me, okay?
I will.
All right, Kathy. So tell me, how old are you today, dear?
I'm 73.
73. Okay, and your date of birth?
4/26/1949.
49. Okay. And so, Kathy, when I talk with people, there's always a couple of reasons that they filled out the form. And it usually falls into one of three categories. Either they have no life insurance and need some, they have some and they need more, or they're just looking to leave money behind for their legacy. Which one best fits you?
Well, I just signed up for a second life insurance.
Okay.
I have one Physicians Mutual for $10,000 for $63.80, and then I just got a new one through United, or I forget, something about Mutual of Omaha.
Okay.
And that was $33 and some change for $5,000.
Okay.
So I got enough of that.
Okay. And so what are you looking to get a little bit more then, or what is your concern with meeting with me today?
I don't know. I can't remember what we're trying to get here. Is it just life insurance?
Yeah, this is for the final expense.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, I just had somebody contacting me about that.
You already had someone contacting you?
Yeah, I just signed up for a Mutual of Omaha. But what kind of prices do you have?
Yeah, well, let me go through some quick health questions and make sure you're healthy, and we'll quote out what I got, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got some now, and just so I know, with what you have, are you looking to be buried or cremated?
I don't know. Let my kids decide.
Okay, so maybe a little bit of both because we don't know yet there. Okay.
Right.
And are you a
Right.
smoker, Kathy?
No.
No, good, because you're a smart lady.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm just going to go through these health conditions. Stop me if anything applies to you. Any history of heart attack, stroke, TIA, cancer?
Nope.
Okay, any stents, diabetes, or pain medication?
Diabetes.
Okay, type 1 or 2?
2.
Okay, are you on pills or insulin?
Pills.
Okay, is it metformin?
Yep.
All right, metformin. And any complications of diabetes?
No.
Okay, anything that you're on for your high blood pressure or cholesterol?
Yes.
Okay, is it both?
I got them. I got 2 different drugs for each one for each one.
Okay, is it atorvastatin and lisinopril?
Yeah.
Okay. All righty. And lisinopril. And then any asthma or COPD?
I have asthma. That's it.
Okay.
COPD.
Is it mild?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's under control.
Okay, good. Anything that you're on for your thyroid, anxiety, or depression?
Yes, I got thyroid problems.
Okay. Is it losartan or is it levothyroxine?
Levothyroxine.
Okay, got it.
And I have Zoloft for, I don't have anxiety. It's just, I'm on a roller coaster ride sometimes, and it keeps me on an even keel.
There you go. Yeah, that works.
My mother and my brother had anxiety, and I'm so glad I don't have it before.
Right.
I don't have that at all.
Yeah, I understand. My family struggles with depression and anxiety too, so it's hard to see your loved ones go through that.
Yeah.
Understandable. Okay. And no Alzheimer's or dementia?
No.
Okay, good. Got 5 medications here. Are you taking anything else other than what we already talked about?
Yeah, I'm taking alendronate.
Okay, can you spell that one for me?
Yeah, ALENDRONATE.
Okay. And what is that one for?
for my bones. I don't have osteoporosis, but it's what you get before that.
Okay.
And they examined me again after I was on it for a while, and they said, your bones are a lot better now.
Good.
So-
Well, as long as it's helping you, that's what matters.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, typically looking at your situation, you're in a pretty good spot. So I'm going to shop around for you real quick and see what will be best and overall cheapest. You have 15,000 now, which is definitely really good, Kathy. But if, this is the thing is, and I hate talking like this, Kathy, but it's my job.
I know.
So I have to do it, right? So
Yes.
when people pass away, a lot of times they accrue more expenses than they believe they're going to, because, you end up doing either hospice or you're in the hospital, and now you have some lingering medical bills. So if your kids end up wanting to go on the burial side, they're definitely going to be cutting it close.
Yeah, I know.
So if it's a matter of budget and you just can't afford more, that's one thing. But if you're looking to make sure your kids are really well off, we could definitely add a little bit more. But if you're happy with where you're at, we could also take a consideration on just putting everything together.
I know. I understand where you're coming from.
Uh-huh.
I get it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. And inflation, God,
Right.
Lord knows we've been going through the craziest times with inflation, which is awful, but it's
Is
just,
it the price of gas?
it's $5 a gallon here.
$5.19 here.
Oh yeah, it's sickening. They said it's supposed to be over $6 by the end of
I
June.
know. I won't be driving my car,
Yeah, I'm happy I work from home now.
and I don't know what we're gonna do about food.
Yeah.
We're supposed to, they're trying to bring down America, and it looks like they're gonna.
Oh gosh, and the I've seen it, all the food factories and the facilities.
Yeah.
Have you
There's
have you read any of that stuff?
Yeah, I've seen a lot on YouTube. The truck drivers are getting fed up with the prices, with the gas.
Mm-hmm.
And so, oh my God, what are they doing? The stores don't have any food.
Right.
They said, prepare now.
Right. So it's like, Lord only knows what's to come. So I'm praying for our country, because it's definitely some scary times.
And I don't know about the money. The money is they're trying to get rid of the money. Have it digital or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. No, you're right there. So I'm gonna do a couple of things for you, Kathy. I'm shopping around now. And Mutual of Omaha really is one of the best companies you can work with. So yeah, it's a great company. So I'm gonna show you a couple things here. Okay, let me work up with what I got, and then we'll go from there.
I want to ask you something.
Absolutely.
Well, life insurance, is that Globe too?
Is it what?
Globe.
Globe.
Globe life insurance.
Are they life? Yes, they are Globe. Globe Life is life insurance.
I don't want them. They're contacting me all the time, and I was told that if you get Globe life insurance, that it goes up.
It does. It does. Yeah, I don't work with any companies like that, Kathy.
I don't want no Globe.
Nope. I replace a lot of Globe Life policies because of that reason. So everyone we work with for my brokerage, we only work with companies who don't increase prices.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just writing up some quick options for you now. I have a couple things that may make sense for you. And if it makes sense, great. And if not, no big deal. But just going to show you what I would recommend, if anything, here. So
I understand everything you're saying.
Yep. And you said it's for your kids that you would be leaving this behind too?
Yes.
Okay. How many kids do you got?
3 boys.
3 boys. Oh boy, mom. How was that?
Yeah, it wasn't easy.
I'm a boy mom.
Yeah.
Yep. I got a 1.5-year-old boy.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, he's fun. It's a fun age at 1.5. They're just so innocent and funny.
Yeah. Yep.
Yep. So
I was learning new things.
oh God, they're sponges.
Yep.
It's really something how much they learn every single day.
Yep. That's true.
Okay. So how long have you had the Physicians Mutual policy?
A few years.
Okay. So the reason I ask is because right now where you're at, you're looking at $15,000 total with what you got, and you're paying about $96.80 a month right now. Does that sound right?
Something like that.
Okay. So we can do a couple of things, Kathy. Okay. One, we could add maybe $5,000 more. I would recommend Mutual of Omaha because they are the absolute cheapest for you guys out there. But if you didn't want to add more, we could technically save you money by combining the 2 policies you have now into one. Because I don't know if anyone's mentioned to you, I'm sure you already know, you sound like a sharp lady. when something happens to you, if you have two policies, your actually family's going to have to go through two sets of claim processes and have to wait for two checks.
Yes, I get it.
Yeah. Whereas if you have everything in one, it's a super simple process. They have one person to deal with. They just get everything taken care of in one stone. Right.
Yeah,
So
right.
if you wanted to add $5,000 more in coverage, just the $5,000 more would be $33 extra a month. Okay. If you wanted to put all of this together and get $20,000 total, you would be looking from a jump from the $96 you're paying right now a month for the 15 grand. You could get 20 grand for 123 a month. Okay. If you don't want to increase your price or your premiums and you just want to save money and combine everything together, you could technically save money still. And you actually probably have some cash value in that physician's mutual policy, to where if you end up combining the policies you have now, you would be able to withdraw that cash value and put it in the bank and have some nice, some cash in the bank for.
I wish I could find out how much is there.
Oh, I can help you with that.
Can you?
Absolutely. Yeah. Kathy, so here's the deal. I treat everyone like I would family. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm never going to lie to you. I'm never going to deceive you. I'm only here to help you. Okay.
I believe you.
And my mom, she works with me also. She does all of my office work. She's an awesome lady. So whether it's me or her, you're always going to be working with someone who is very, very on par with making sure your family is taken care of.
Okay.
Okay. So, like I said, we have a couple options. We could just add the 5,000 for 33. You could put them all together. If you wanted $20,000 total, you would go from $96 a month to 123. Or if you just wanted to combine the policies you have now into one for a total of 15,000, you technically would still be saving $3 a month, and we would be able to get some cash value back from the physician's mutual.
If you could find how much cash I could get back.
Mm-hmm. How many years have you had it?
I don't know, quite a few.
Okay.
I don't know.
Well, let's call in real quick together.
Okay, can you do it?
Yep, I'm gonna look up their phone number real quick. I don't work with Physicians Mutual, but we can look them up on the good old Google.
Okay.
Mutual.
Physicians Mutual. My name is Abby. May I have your policy number?
Hi, Abby. I have my client on the line, Kathy. She actually doesn't have the policy number right in front of her, but she can provide you with anything else you need to look her up.
Okay. You can go ahead and transfer her over.
Oh, she's on a three-way. She can hear you. She can hear you. You can hear her.
Sorry.
She was wondering how much cash value she has in her policy.
It looks like the quotable surrender value is approximately $563.43.
Okay.
Sorry, I tried to say it slowly in case you had to write it down.
You're okay. No, that was perfect. All right. Well, great. That was all we really needed today.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for calling. If you guys have any other questions or need anything else from us, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Absolutely. Have a great day.
Thank you guys. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Hello?
Hey there. Figured we just hop off there so we don't have to listen to their automated systems.
Yes, good. Good job.
Yeah. So what do you think? We can get you $563 to your bank account, save you $3 a month, and put everything in one.
Well, I'm thinking of going for the 20,000.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's do this. Let me pull you up.
Do I still get that money?
You still do? Yeah. The 563.
Could I use it?
There you go.
Oh, could I use it? I don't have to pay that back?
No, that's your money.
Oh my God, could I use that?
Oh, awesome, Kathy. Okay, well, so let's do this, okay? First, what we would want to do is make sure we can get you fully approved with Mutual of Omaha for the full 20 grand, okay?
Yeah.
Have you made any payment, or how many payments have you made on the $5,000 policy with them?
One.
One.
33, just
And
one.
When was it?
Oh, maybe last week.
Okay, so we probably can get you that $33 back too.
Okay.
Okay, so it looks like we might even be able to get you close to almost $600 returned back to you.
Oh my God.
And then we'll get the boys $20,000 in coverage as long as we can get you approved.
Okay.
All right, so let me go ahead and get you started here. I'll pull you up and we'll start this process.
Okay, dear.
All righty, so let's get you moving here and we'll start putting in some information. Now, I heard you say it, but I'm just going to confirm one more time to confirm accuracy. I have your
Yep.
beautiful. All right. Let's see here. And you're a Michigander just like me.
Really? Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm a troll. I live under the bridge.
Okay, where?
Jackson, Michigan.
Okay, okay. I don't know if I'm gonna say too much.
So do you know where Lansing is?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about 30 minutes south of Lansing.
Oh, okay.
Yep,
Okay.
so kind of right smack dab in the middle of the state.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So, but the UP is beautiful. I've been up there a couple times.
Yes, it is. I'm so glad you called me.
Yeah, me too. If I'm ever up there again and in the area working, I'll definitely swing by and say hello.
That'd be great.
Yeah, I do offer Kathy yearly reviews on policies, even if I can't come see you, but I'll definitely be sure to give you a call and we can always review this to make sure you have, an understanding of what your family has here.
Now, what's your name?
Tori.
That's right. I like that name.
Thank you. Yeah, my dad picked it out. He named me after Tori Spelling.
Oh, I like her.
Yeah, apparently he thought she was pretty cute.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Kathy, what is your middle initial?
L.
For-
L as in love. Mm-hmm.
Is it really Love?
No, it's Lynn.
Lynn. That was my guess. My middle name's Lynn too.
Oh, wow. Good.
Yep. And current height and weight for you, dear?
What?
Current height and weight?
I'm 5'2" and 163.
All righty. And go ahead with your perfect. And then let me get your address entered in here. 422 North.
I can't believe I get that money back.
Yeah, isn't that incredible?
It's a wonderful time to do it.
Yeah, and the cool thing is too, Kathy, is your policy that you're gonna have now with Mutual of Omaha, it's gonna do the same thing. So 2, 3, 4 years from now, you will have cash value in there. Now, take into account, we won't want to surrender that one. So if you withdraw it, you will want to pay it back. But it's money that's always available to you. So these policies kind of work like a savings account.
Yeah, that's great.
So
boy, it's a good timing to get that money now.
Sure is. You were born in Michigan?
Yes.
Okay, just so you know, also, I always am looking to get my clients approved on day one coverage. So there's a couple of different types of policies. There's some policies out there, believe it or not, that have waiting periods. This is not one of those policies. Okay. So if you get approved here, you're covered for the full 20 grand right away.
Good.
Yep. So
That is a good company.
it is a great company. Yep. I only work with companies that are like that. So
It's the way you talk. Yeah, you're on the up and up.
oh, well, thanks, Kathy. I really love what I do.
Yeah, I can tell.
Thank you. Yeah, I used to sell cars, and you might know that the car industry is kind of a dirty industry to work in.
Yep.
So now I just genuinely get to help people, and it is awesome. I sit here with my cats all day in sweatpants, and I just call people and make sure that they're in good spots.
Is that nice?
Yeah, it's an awesome opportunity. If you know anyone who might like doing something like that, I'm always hiring.
Yeah, you are awesome.
Thanks, Kathy. I appreciate that.
What?
Okay, so you are.
Can I give you my my beneficiaries for this?
You sure can. Yep, that's going to be in 2 more pages. I'll be taking all that info from you. I'm going to go through the rest of the health questions.
Well,
Okay, good. All right, moving right along.
this is amazing.
And then we're on to your beneficiaries. Are you splitting it between your boys, or is it just going to 1 or 2?
What do people usually do?
It just depends, Kathy. It's more so on, the relationship you have, one, but your ability to put your trust in them, knowing that they're going to do the right thing with the money. So if you have one child who's maybe a little more responsible than the others, maybe stick with that one. But if you think that they're all good boys and they'll do what they're supposed to do, you can split it up between the 3 of them. It's really just whatever, just brings you the most peace of mind.
Yeah, well, that's hard.
And we can always change it too. So if you have something in mind for now, we can do that, and we can always change it.
2 boys down.
Okay, give me your first boy's name.
The boy that's the oldest is Bradley, Bradley.
Okay. And what's his date of birth?
June 14th, 6/14/70, 1970.
Yeah, birthday coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna split it 50-50 between these two boys, is that right?
I guess so.
Okay, and then so other than Bradley, who's the other one?
Del, D-E-L.
Okay, and his date of birth.
November 15th, 1971.
Perfect, okay. And so with that being said, we have those two down as primary. Did you want anyone as the backup beneficiary?
Well, you can put Eric, E-R-I-C.
Okay, perfect.
So, you know,
E-R-I-C.
there's two that I want the money to go to.
Okay, got it.
And then something happens, and then they use the Eric.
Exactly. Yep. So if something happens to both Bradley and Dell, the money will go to Eric. If
Yep.
something happens to just Bradley or Dell, the 100% will go to one or the other. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so for this policy, it'll take about 3 to 5 days to hear back. From
Sure.
there, there's two ways you can set this up, Kathy. You can have it go active right away, which means you're covered right away. But if you do it that way, they'll want to take that premium a couple days after approval. Technically, you can push out your first start date. You're just not covered until that day. So
You tell me what to do.
I think it's smart if you're going to apply, you should be covered right away. Okay. That's my thought process on it. Cause God forbid you pick a
Yeah.
day and you're not covered and something happens to you. It's just an awful thought,
Okay.
you know?
Yep.
Okay. So you want to do, approval and we'll do covered right away. And then what is a good day for you for a reoccurring day? The 1st through the 28th, whatever works best for you.
Holy crap. Either one is good.
You want to go for right in the middle, like the 15th?
No. Let's do the 28th.
The 28th. Okay. So at the end of the month. Okay.
Mhm.
And then do you
That's
want,
what we'll do.
what's that?
Will the first payment be due on June 28th?
So with this first payment, if you get approved, it'll probably pull sometime early next week, but then you won't have another one due until the 28th of next month.
On July.
Yes, July 28th. Okay. But what that,
No, you're going too fast. You're going too fast.
okay, slow down.
So if it gets approved, they'll take a payment out next week
Correct. Yep.
for $123.
Yes, ma'am. Yep.
123 even?
Yep. No, 123.89.
What?
123.89.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Got it.
that'll make basically what would happen with us doing it this way is God forbid something happens even between now and the time you're actually approved and this goes active, you're covered. Even if something happens tomorrow and we don't know yet, you're covered. Okay.
Really? I am?
Yes. If we get you approved. Yes.
Okay.
All right. And then do you
Okay.
want your checking or savings account on file?
Yes.
Which one, dear?
A checking account.
Okay. Do you have your numbers memorized or do you need to grab your checkbook?
I know my number for my checkbook.
I don't know how people do that.
I don't know, but I'm good with numbers.
Yeah, there you go. Well, I'm ready for the account number whenever you are.
I gotta look up routing number.
Who do you bank with? I can Google it for you. Okay, does sound right?
Sure sounds right to me.
There we
Yep.
go. Google's a great thing.
Yep.
So we'll grab that routing.
And I'm gonna get paperwork in the mail.
Oh,
This is approved?
absolutely. Yep. You probably already got a packet in the mail for Mutual, right?
I don't know.
Okay. Well,
Oh, yeah, I must. I don't have it yet. But,
Okay.
Can I get rid of, once I get approved, I can get rid of all my Physician Mutual paperwork?
yep. First, what we'll do is we'll make sure that you get your new packet in the mail. Okay. If we get, so we should know today if you're approved. What we'll
Oh.
do, okay, because I want to make sure everything is finalized the right way. If we get you approved, we're going to call into Physician Mutual. Okay, we're going to request that they do a stop payment because I don't want them to draw any more money from you. We're not going to cancel it yet. We're going to wait until you get your packet and everything's good. Once
Yeah,
you get your packet, then we're
I just made a payment to them too.
okay. Well, you're going to get, a good chunk of it back anyway with that check they'll send you. So
Yeah.
then once you get everything squared away and we know for sure that your 20 grand is good, then we'll call in, we'll request that money be sent to you. The $563.43 will be returned to you. Once you get your check, we're going to cancel out the policy with Physicians Mutual and be done with it. Okay.
So
Go
they
ahead.
They have to mail the check to me?
Yes. Yep. They'll mail a check to you. Actually, each company is different. So maybe they'll wire it to you.
Okay.
We'll find out when we call though. Okay.
Okay. You're
All right.
awesome.
The Mutual of Omaha one, we won't need to do anything for that one. I've already put it in here that we want it replaced if we get approved.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll keep tabs on it. We'll make sure you get good to go. Once everything is set exactly how it's supposed to be, then we'll get you your money back.
You call me once it's approved?
Yes, I will.
Oh my God, you are awesome. You are just awesome.
I told you, I'm going to treat you just like family.
I see that you are, yes.
Yeah, I love what I do, so I might as well make sure everyone, loves me just as much as I love taking care of them.
I hope they treat you as good as you treat them.
Yeah, Kathy, my clients are amazing. That's why I love so much what I do, because people are just, I'm a people person, there's so many good people. There's so many good people out there. You just got to find them.
That's right. That's right.
Were you born?
Yes. I gotta tell you something.
Yeah.
I'm 73.
Uh-huh.
And I got a boyfriend.
Oh, you do?
I'm sitting in his office. He's the president of the district council for the St. Vincent de Paul Society.
Oh, how cool. So how long have you guys?
Since like last September.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Hopefully he treats you good.
He's not here right now, so I come down and I sit in his office and I don't get in trouble for it.
Yeah, that's nice that he lets you just, have fun and live life.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Very good.
Yeah.
Now, do you have any grandbabies, Kathy?
Yeah, they're out in Arizona.
Arizona. So you probably don't get to see them much.
No, I don't.
Yeah, that's hard.
My son just got the COVID, so.
Oh, bummer. Wow.
Yeah.
Do any of your sons still live local with you?
Well, one's in Marquette, 66 miles away.
Okay.
So I see him once in a while.
Yeah, that's not too far from you.
No,
Nice. Yeah, it's hard. Do you get to keep up with the grandbabies on Facebook or something?
yeah.
Yeah. You can add me on Facebook.
I can?
Oh, of course.
Oh, how do I do that?
You just search my name and you can add me.
Okay, well, do I got your last name?
Yeah, I can give it to you.
Okay.
It's Haskell, like Eddie Haskell.
Oh, yeah, you told me that before.
Yep.
Haskell?
Yep, you bet.
I got it. All right.
Yeah, you can go ahead and add me. I'll add you back. I'm always posting my little boy, and I post a lot of work stuff because I'm building an agency. So I always have work stuff on there.
Hey, are we going to have a food shortage?
Oh, Kathy, I sure hope not. It's a scary thought, isn't it?
Yeah, and what about the money? You
Mhm.
know?
I've already started stocking up on foods.
I know it. I know. And my cousin, she maxed out her credit card. She said, "There's not going to be any money. The stock market's going to crash." I don't know.
Yeah, no, I'm like I said, I'm praying for this country. It's some scary times and some unknown times, but we got to pull together. We got to pull together as a nation.
Yeah. Boy, I tell you, I'm saying my prayers and going to church a lot.
Yeah, me as well, Kathy. I really am.
Good.
So I'm pushing this through right now for you. Let's see what we got today. If we're approved right away. Yep, we've been approved. Okay. So that's awesome. So here's what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to write everything down on this detail sheet. That way you have something to hold on to until you get your policy. Do you want it texted over to you, emailed over to you, or both?
Both.
Okay. What's your best email? Okay. So I'm going to email the summary over to you. It just includes the details, your payment, what your reoccurring day will be, your policy number, some information about my mom who will be in touch with you to say hello.
What's your mom's name?
Her name is Kelly.
Oh, nice. That's a pretty name too.
Yeah, it's fun to say. Kelly kind of rolls off the tongue nice. But yeah, so she'll be in touch with you too. You're approved, so there's no need to contact you about the approval. What we'll want to do though is make sure that you get your packet, and then when you get your packet, that's when we'll call into Physicians Mutual and request that you get your cash value.
Okay. So
okay.
When I get the packet, do I got to call you?
Yes. Yep. I would call me because I'll call in with you. We'll help you get all the cash value squared away and make sure that the old policy gets, taken care of and done with.
Yeah.
So from here, do a couple things for me. Okay. Save me in your phone as a contact.
I will.
I'm going to save you in mine too. So that way, when you call me, I know it's you. And then you can save my mom's number too if you'd like to. It'll be on your detail summary sheet, so that way you know it's her when she gives you a call.
Yes, give
Okay.
me your number now, because it's not up on my phone.
Yeah, my number is 517
Yep,
945
945, okay.
6668.
I'll put that in with your name and I'll know.
Do you want my mom's number right now too?
Yes, and
Okay.
your mom's name is Kelly.
Kelly.
And her number is
734
734
215
215
7653.
7653. Very good. You are so thorough.
Oh,
Thank you.
awesome. Kathy, it's been a great pleasure. Okay. So I will send this detail summary sheet over to you via text and email. And then
Yes.
just keep me posted. Okay. That policy
You-
should be coming to you within the next week and a half, 2 weeks or so. If
Yes.
it doesn't, I need you to get with me and let me know. And then what we'll do once you get your new policy, once we get the old cash value taken care of, we'll make sure that you have the right policy in the safe, and then we can throw out the old policy. Okay.
Yeah, help me out with all that.
Yeah. And that'll make it so much simpler for the boys too. They'll just have one claim to make.
I'm gonna add your contact right now to my phone, and it was enjoyable talking to you.
Kathy, likewise. And like I said, each and every year we'll definitely review this and touch base and just say hello. And
Yes.
we'll be in touch soon too, because we have a little more work to do before you're totally squared away.
God bless you, Tori.
Be blessed, Kathy. Have a great week and you stay safe. Okay. Hey, by the way, if your boyfriend needs any help with his life insurance, I'm here for you guys.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure, dear. Have a great one.
You too.
Bye-bye.